una not dey hear. E get video when I wan show una. But before I go show una, I go first tell una small of my experience. Now see my mark. This thing wey dey here. I don't know if una dey see am here. Na the mark when I get from that experience. So sometimes 2018, after I give birth to my third child, my third son. So just after 3 days, I say okay, make sure say since is be say the delivery dey rough somehow, and again no assistant, no person wey be say e no get mother again. And again, mother don already old and dey far from me. So come advise me say make I go for this implant when I wan talk about now. So I come fix am just after 3 days. I come fix that implant. Because of say I never know say food wey you never test, you know say if they describe am, e dey sweet for ear until when you test am. So that day, he come tell me say, one, I say no, make I take two. Say I need am for 5 years. Behold, that 5 years, I no even carry reach half of am. Na only 2 years now I carry am. Now me still use my leg run, go remove am. For those of una wey be say una no dey hear, no dey use it so especially these mothers wey be say una dey carry una 18 years, 16 years, 17 years girls go dey do implant. This video now when I wan play na for una. Thank God say na doctor sit down here dey talk this thing. Because if we be say we just dey online, normal blogging, normal content, if you dey talk, I go be like say na content now you dey create. But this one now, thank God say na man dey talk this thing. The experience wey I get for just that 2 years, the experience when I get, me when use my hand sign 5 years, I still go use my hand remove am after 2 years. You know that process where be say you go come dey grow fat. You come fat pass your age, you fat pass your size. When it be say, even that time self, I know they feed, they even they eat. But if you see me, you go think say na me they finish your food with the house. But I dey fat. Only water. At times if I fit manage chop once in a day, the rest na water, now I go drink. My stomach don't do it, it don't block. Better they big. You see this thing right there, before I feel remove am, flesh almost won't cover am. They fine. Before they feel remove the last one, I hear when. So this message, now this video when I won't play, now for una. Una come on and listen to her. Make it not come be like say person just they can do it, they talk. Listen to the video.
Take a good look at this picture. I know a lot of you must have seen this picture before, but please wait. Look at it very well.
Yeah.
The reason I'm bringing this to your notice is because I just removed one from a lady today. Please, the question is, this lady is just in SS2,
Okay.
16 years old, and she puts Implanon and implant in her hand, in her arm, because she doesn't want to get pregnant.
16 years.
The one I removed her, it was our mother that brought her that we should remove it. And I've seen cases where the mother herself will be the one that will bring together. They should fix something for her. And will never be part of that. Now, you are avoiding pregnancy. But are you aware that there is HIV, there's HPV, there's HPV, but that is B, HPV, human papillomavirus, HIV. Are you aware you are dodging baby before you can contract all these infections? And SS2 students already fixing family planning. And sometimes their mother will support it because of the money they are bringing home. And you that you are a healthcare professional, that you are doing this, is that what you were trained for? To be doing this for young girls so that they will not be able to get pregnant. They can have access to sexual intercourse. May God deliver this generation. Thank you very much and God bless.
This, I will share my full experience, waiting I see for 2 years. You know the process where you will say, woman, no menstruate for 2 years. You know what it be? You know what it be? You to say waste the damage, my waste for damage on top. Even this fourth picking when I born, I don't even think I go feel born myself because of waiting my eye. See. You know the third person, more than continue. Because even as I still watch this definition, I'm going to go do otherwise. Make on continue. For the countries when they put on our children, on our teenage children,